guys, welcome back to new session. We will learn side flip and side drop in this session. Side flip and side drop is one of the most important basic player move. It will take around 45 minutes to learn this move completely. We can make this move two variations, above the palm and below the palm. We can perform this move with tin and bottle. Equipment should be readily available. Make sure your hand, tin and bottle should not be wet while using. Now I am going to show side flip and side drop. First we need to grab a neck of practice bottle and rotate above the fingers. Make sure it while rotating the bottle it will be touch at fingers, not in the air like this. It should rotate like this and grab at the base. The move looks like this. Now I am going to show side drop. First we need to grab at base and drop the bottle towards outside like this. Make sure it will be touch and grab at neck. Now I will show the both moves at a time. Side flip and side drop. This is how moves look. Side flip, side drop. Side flip, side drop. Side flip, side drop. Boom. Now I am showing the both moves with left hand. From left hand we need to grab at the neck and flip around the fingers and grab at the base. And same thing when we are doing it reverse, it's called side drop. Side flip and side drop. Same like what we done with right hand, same like with left hand. Side flip, side drop. Side flip, side drop. After complete the practice with practice bottle, then go with glass bottle. Move looks like this. With left hand. Cheers. Practice daily to become perfect. Cheers.